I believe the strategies which Language Academy teaches you is the key part to success the PTE exam. If I would not have known those strategies, I'm definitely sure I would not have cleared this exam. Not even second, in 7 or 8 attempts, I would not have cleared that.
Hey everybody, I'm here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Chetan with me. 25 points towards his permanent residency. Congratulations, Chetan. Earlier you cleared your NAATI CCL with us, and now you've got 8 each, that too in your second attempt. Congratulations. Really would like to know that what do you think is important for PT exam? Because normally I remember you were kind of stressed about PT. You were not really sure if you'll be able to do it or not, and you even told me you know a friend who took the exam 7 times and you were nervous because of that, right?
Yes.
What do you think is the most important factor when it comes to PT?
I believe the strategies which Language Academy teaches you is the key part to success the PTE exam. If I would not have known those strategies, I'm definitely sure I would not have cleared this exam. Not even second, in 7 or 8 attempts, I would not have cleared that. So I believe strategies are the key part, and also educators there are superhuman. They actually take pain of you that you should clear the exam, and they actually take care of you like their own children. And I really like that part of Language Academy, and thank you so much for that. I would not have cleared both of the exams without the help of Language Academy.
Thanks for that, Jason. But I remember you had a very hectic work schedule, but despite that you used to come to the lab around 7 as well. What do you think, what pushed you to be regular in the lab, and why you think lab sessions are important?
Correct. So earlier I started in September first week, and then I started the preparation of PT. Till 3rd week of September, I was not regular in the lab sessions because of my hectic work schedule. But then one of the tutors told me that if you want to clear the exam in very first attempt or second attempt, or if you want to clear it, you need to be attend the lab sessions. Then I thought, I need to attend lab session, and there I believe the turn comes in, and I started to attend the lab session, even if for 1 hour or 2 hours after finishing my work. Then I believe I gave my exam on 12th of October, and then I then I missed the reading part. In first attempt, I shot by 2 numbers in there, but then as per the feedback of you and other educators, I needed to work on the reading, filling the blanks, and reading and writing, filling the blanks. And then I worked on that, and in second attempt, and thanks again to you, I cleared that.
Thanks for that, Chetan. When it comes to reading, you told that you missed your reading section just by 2 points in your last attempt. This time you got 89 in reading, right? Almost a perfect score. What do you think you changed, or what do you think is important for the reading section?
I believe practice is the main part in here for the reading. We need to practice a lot. If we don't practice, if we only cram, we won't be able to clear the reading part. And we need to, if we need to crack it, we need to practice the reading. Otherwise, we won't be able to.
That's right. Very important, guys. You don't just focus on cramming things. When you practice, don't just focus on learning, memorizing data. You need to make sure whenever you practice and understand the logic. Because in the exam as well, even if you don't have the same passages, same blanks, you'll have similar blanks, similar passages with similar logic. Logic will never be different. Logic will always be same. You'll have different text, but if you understand the logic while you're practicing, things are going to be very easy when you go and sit for your reading exam or your PT exam. Any final advice for students out there? And what do you think, how important are mock tests? I remember you've taken a number of mock tests. You even used to run late for the mock test. I remember. What do you think, how important are the mock tests?
Yes, and I'm sorry for that. This is only because of my job schedule. But yeah, mock tests are important. Feedback is important, and strategies are, I believe, the keys part here to make me success over the exam. And it is not that I'm sitting with Varun right now and I'm saying this, but I highly recommend Language Academy, and because of the educators they have, because of the strategies they have prepared, it is the only key success to my clearing both NAATI CCL and the PT exam.
Thanks for that, Chetan. Guys, very important whenever it comes to your PT or your NAATI exam. First of all, you need to know the strategies, but just knowing the strategies is not enough. You need to implement the strategy and then take the feedback that whether you are doing something, is that particular task you are attempting it perfectly or not. If you just know the strategy but you're not able to implement it properly, things can be very difficult. Very important, you take feedback regularly and sit for regular mock tests, and you will be able to clear it at the earliest. That's it from this video, guys. Congratulations once again.
Thank you
All
so
the
much
very
for
best.
Thank
That's
you.
it from this video, guys. I'll see you very soon. Thank you, guys.